If you've ever tried to find a specific photo from years ago, you probably know how challenging it can be, especially when your catalog has thousands, or even tens or hundreds of thousands of images. Photo Supreme's timeline feature is designed to make that process effortless by giving you an intuitive, date-based view of your entire catalog. Let's explore how the timeline works, how the calendar tags add even more flexibility, and why date-based access is such a powerful tool. Think of the timeline as a built-in visual calendar of your photography. Instead of relying on folders or tags, it organizes your catalog purely by when your photos were taken. You can drill down step by step, from year to month to day. This makes it easy to jump to any moment in your photo history. Want to see everything you shot during your 2019 trip to Japan? Simply expand 2019, then March, and there it is. Need to navigate to the exact day you photographed a client's event? Scroll through the timeline to that date. No searching, no guessing. While the timeline already gives you a clean chronological view, calendar tags take things a step further. They automatically create smart, time-based groupings so you can rediscover photos in creative and meaningful ways. In the calendar tags section, you'll find items to quickly filter to photos shot today, last 30 days, or this month or year. It also allows you to show photos taken on the same day and month as today, regardless of the year. Want to see what you were photographing exactly 1 year ago today? It's one click away. You can do the same for this week, this month, or even this quarter. Expand these items to see all photos shot on a particular weekday. For example, every photo you've ever taken on a Monday, or in any September, or even in the fall. One of the most powerful things about Photo Supreme's timeline and calendar tags is that they're not isolated features. They fully integrate with dynamic search and advanced search. That means you can combine time-based information with your catalog labels, ratings, colors, and metadata filters to build highly targeted searches. For example, find all photos tagged with butterfly that were taken in spring, or locate every landscape rated 4 stars and shot in December across all years. Or search for portraits taken last week to quickly find your most recent session. This combination of time awareness and metadata filtering gives you incredibly flexible control over your catalog, turning thousands of images into an instantly searchable, organized visual library. The timeline and calendar tags make Photo Supreme more than just a cataloging tool. They turn it into a visual history of your photography. Whether you're managing a professional image archive or simply keeping track of personal memories, this date-based view makes finding, comparing, and rediscovering your photos faster and more intuitive than ever. And when you combine it with dynamic or advanced searches, you unlock the full power of Photo Supreme's cataloging system, transforming simple time-based browsing into deep, flexible image discovery. So next time you open Photo Supreme, take a moment to explore your timeline. You might be surprised by what you find when you look back through your creative journey.